Another sheep drop. Hopefully this is the right way. Another one I haven't done for a couple of years.
Don't know if I come here last year.
Off-grid on the sat-nav. It feels like you are going into a posh estate, not a sheep farm. Off the tarmac. It gets a little bumpy.
That's a good sign. Farm zone, unless it says don't come down here for this farm. No. That's right. Believe it or not. This is sheep fun.
It's about 1 kilometre of off-road driving. Well, at least it beats driving on the M25. And in this job, most of the time people appreciate what you do. Thanks for getting the gate, Mr. Farmer. Best job I ever had.